What's up, y'all? Good morning. Can you guys hear me? One in the chat if you can hear me. Good morning. Mic check, 1, 2. Morning, fam. What's up, bro? What's up, everybody? I fucking love how the markets look right now. So I just want to start with that. Fucking love how the markets look right now. Am I the only one? ZenLab VIP. What do we got? We got 20 people in here. What the fuck? Where's everybody at? Come to VIP, bro. I'm gonna send you guys a link right now. I fucking love the way the markets look. Jake Aaron says yes. What's up, y'all? I got a rave to go to today for the first time in like fucking, I don't know, a couple months. Yo, Kevin, are you going to Breakaway, bro? What are the chances that you're going to Breakaway, my brother? Tap in, we live. Yeah, bro, are you going? Are you going? Or breakaway, breakout. Maybe it's breakout, some shit like that. But are you going? If you're not, you should be going. I don't know, man. I just had to get tires on my truck. I'm deciding today. How much are the tickets? I forgot. It was a long time ago. Tap in, we live. Oh, cause you got to pay for the lady too, huh? Let me know how much. Let me know, bro. I want you guys to go. Just message me personally. Tap in, we live. 1:30 for the Friday. I'm going both days. All right. Okay. Do you have a personal account right now? Let's earn it, bro. Let's earn it, dude. Let's earn this fucking ticket. Risk $50, put $50. he said, he said Fisher Merchant. Yeah, bro. I mean, what's the worst that could happen, bro? You lose $130. Who gives a shit? Upside, infinite upside. You know, I got. We'll talk after stream. Talk after. Make sure we call. I got a meeting with my boy right after stream, but we can still just call me, bro. We'll make it happen. All right. Did you not have a mentorship call yesterday for your pillars in the evening time? No, no. Which pillar are you, Jake? If I did, then potentially I'm mistaken, but no, not on my schedule. No. No, I don't. All right, anyways, what's up, y'all? Welcome all fucking 30 people, man. Listen here, we got 20 minutes till session open. Can you explain yesterday's trade? Yeah, I can explain yesterday's trade, but let's explain today's trade first, okay? So coming into US 30 on 4 hour time frame, pillar 52. Yeah, I don't know why you guys keep asking, but you guys been done since the 17th, bro. I've had two of you not saying it's three pillar calls. April 17th was your last call, my brother. Just DM me on that Discord. I'll get back to you later on today. All right, so 4 hour time frame on here. Look where we're at, man. Yet again. Yet again, we're at this 4 hour resistance. And we're holding pretty aggressively here, which is very nice. That's why I was saying I really enjoyed the markets today, because hopping in and seeing us directly at structure on NAS and US 30, I would love to say that these are usually our highest probability setup days, but unfortunately that's just simply not true. Every fucking day is our highest probability day as of lately. You know, if you know, you know. Okay, so going to lower time frames, understanding we're still bearish, understanding this is still just a retracement, even though when we start to flip bullish in higher time frames, we've been buying multiple times within this area. We simply just expect price to continue lower, bro. And so now that we're back up to this 4 hour resistance, and as you've seen in the past, every time we come up here, we just continue to push lower. I don't expect any difference today. We're just going to continue to sell the market off for the most part. And so going down to 5 minute time frame. I mean, if we want to go to 15-minute time frame real quick, let me mute all of you guys. You guys can unmute and shit. I just want to make sure I mute you at first. I got the chat up too. Tops, bro. What's up, my man? Look what we got going on 15-minute, bro. We're just starting to create that structure within that 4-hour resistance, which is I'm just in love with the shit right now. That's all I gotta say. And so going down to 5-minute time frame, which is our entry time frame, I would not be taking buys above here, as you guys can probably imagine. As soon as we break above this resistance, there's going to be so many fucking buyers that enter the markets here. And what's going to happen, in my opinion, is one thing before. If we are going to continue higher for the day, it's not going to happen immediately from this area. Way too much liquidity sitting there, and also this area that we just broke out of. So, in my opinion, if we were going to buy up and not sell, which is what I want to do, I just want to sell. It's going to come in the form of this. We're going to break above these highs during session open. We're going to get a reaction from that area, whether it's as soon as we violate these highs or when we tap into this kind of break and retest area. And then from that point, if we create a newfound resistance and then we break above that newfound resistance, all good, bro. We'll go ahead and hop into buys, even at this 4-hour resistance, and we'll just expect price to continue higher. But as far as sells, let me take this off. Let me clean this up now that we're not really looking for buys at all. Way too much liquidity here, bro, to just have no reaction and just send it straight to the moon. So you guys be careful. I know a lot of people just kind of speculate here. Not everybody takes my trades, but for those people who trade on your own, now you understand why buying right away is potentially not a good idea. All right. Coming down to lower area, for sells. We have our secondary tap here, so we can't really use it as part of our bias, but nonetheless, it's just starting to form. Just trying to do our best to box in price action as much as we possibly could, based upon our higher time frame bias, and then fucking executing based off of that. Which, by the way, let me go live on Instagram real quick, y'all. My bad. Okay. All right, cool. So if we start to break below lows, I mean, bro, there's no additional confluence I need to go ahead and sell the market off. As long as one market opens up, like let's say it's the 925 fucking candle, and we close like somewhere down within this area, I'm not going to take that breakout trade as soon as the market opens up. Most of you guys know why, but I'll still say it again as I say it every day. If that 5 minutes before candle close right at this close to this breakout area, more often than not, 90% of candles have a top and a bottom wick. So we can almost guarantee if we break below with that next candle, that price is going to come up and retrace, put us in drawdown, at least for a bit before continuing lower. So we just don't want to get caught in that. We'll just wait for the next break sitting down here. All right. But this is what I'm looking at for sells. ATR is regulated still, which is beautiful. So we'll just use a 50-point stop loss. And this is where we're at for US 30. I'm about to cruise over to NAS. Fuck. Good morning, everyone. What's up, bruh? Can you explain this? All right, cool. Going over to NAS now. Same shit, bro. I really enjoy NAS and US 30 because we're sitting at structure. One thing I will say though is, if US 30 were to buy up, I believe that we would get our entry on NAS first, just in my opinion. So on 4-hour time frame, same two questions. What 4-hour resistance or support are we currently reacting off of? Currently, right now, it's sitting all the way down here at this 4-hour support. And so we simply just expect price to come up to this next 4-hour resistance. And all we use this lower time frame gray areas for is just to kind of guide us on our way up to this next fucking zone. We just expect price to continue higher. But while this area is holding, it's kind of I really want us to start to break above these highs before I start taking a buy. So let's go down to 5-minute time frame and see how we can execute within this setup. Buys, same shit. Nice little trend line formed here. Don't have our third tap to it yet. We even got an even closer tight knit trend line sitting right here, which I like a little bit more closer to price. We're not going to be taking trades all the way up here at exteriors. And so if we start to break above these highs, don't want to get caught up in being that first initial fake, just like we were speaking about with US 30. We kind of have structure forming here, not as clean as US 30 was, but I really would like to see like a reaction here and then a push higher. You know what I'm saying? I really just don't want to trade within this fucking gray area here, for sure. But we'll see. I'm not one to wait, and we scalp, and I'm definitely down to take another trade if that's what it is. You know, it just always has to be on my terms. Now, as far as the sell-off, pretty simplified here, bro. I'm pretty bearish. I wanted to push below lows, but because we are so fucking bullish on hourly time frame, I'm not just going to take that first break below lows on NAS. I'm going to wait for that secondary structure to form. Okay, I'm going to wait for that initial break below these equal lows. Whether that's a grab or if it just continues lower, it is what it is. But waiting for newfound structure, and then I'll take the break of that second low. Same shit, different day. Okay. We got session open here in like 15 minutes, so I'm about to just split screen this. Oh no, I'll run through the trade for who asked that shit. Huizen, I got you, bro. So as far as this trade yesterday, bro, this is just clean trading, man. Same exact shit that I just broke down is just the same exact shit that I did yesterday. You know, we went to 4-hour time frame. We were trying to answer the two same questions. What are we currently reacting off of? 4-hour support resistance, 4-hour support, and what is trend currently? Trend is bullish as fuck. You know, trend is extremely bullish even on hourly time frame. And so going down to lower time frames yesterday, look what we had going on. It's just an extremely easy setup yesterday. Price is currently pushed above even an hourly support, came back down to retest it multiple times, and we start to push away from it. So not only is 4-hour support holding, now we have hourly support holding, and the confluences just continue to add up. We pushed above London highs sitting right here, you know, pushed above London highs, started to push back in the range, kind of showing potentially liquid traders are going to play out. And then we continue to climb up from that point. Nothing is guaranteed within the markets, but some shit like this where we continue onwards after previous session highs and lows, also having higher time frame bias, it's off to the races, bro. As soon as the market opened up, didn't need any type of newfound support or resistance, or didn't need any type of additional confirmation. We already got a break above these highs sitting right here. And so as soon as market opened up and I continue to get multiple reactions from this area, I just went ahead and bought. First reaction here, second reaction here. I ended up buying as soon as this candle flipped here, and then I scaled into this position as soon as we broke above these previous candle highs. This wasn't with you guys. This is with my mentorship. It's more of a, if you know, you know. This is a bit of a complicated entry as far as getting into the markets out a little bit outside of the system. But when we're fucking bullish, when we're continuing upwards, expect me to continue on with that wave, you know, without no hesitation. And then going into PM trades, bro, just simple shit, man. I really, honestly, be completely honest with all of you, did not want to buy in this territory. If anybody was watching that PM stream yesterday, you know that shit. I did not want to buy, bro. We continue to consolidate from this point. It's like, all right, we're going to continue lower. We're sitting at a higher time frame structure. But if we start to create some newfound resistance during power hour, I'll go ahead and take the trade. So look what happened here. From this point, I'm like, all right, bro, as soon as we break below these lows, we're going to go ahead and hop into this trade and take the sell-off. We have multiple reactions to this trend line, so I'll go ahead and take it. And it didn't happen. We did create that newfound resistance. We pushed up above newfound resistance, and we took the trade. It's just simply trading interior price action over and over again. It ain't nothing special we do here, man. The only thing special is the results we get from doing it. Agree, only facts. It was good, coach. A little late eating dinner. Where you at? Oh, you're in China, huh? China. No. Malaysia, not China. Oh. I'm gonna have to look that up in my own time. I thought they were pretty close to each other. Where is Malaysia? Where is Malaysia? For a man who's done so much traveling, you know, Jesus. Malaysia is far as fuck. Oh, it's way far from China. From China. All right, cool. We got 55 people in here. Make sure you guys like the stream. If we get up to 100 people today, I will fucking go to a rave today and tomorrow. If we get to 100 concurrent people today, I will go to a rave today and tomorrow. Yo, Coach Emmett, I love the way you trade. I'm going to do some type of giveaway, no cap. I don't know what it is. Just understand that if you're not a part of the free group, hopefully Beast is here and can send the fucking link, then you're not going to be a part of it, you know? So come hop in, see what I got going on. and enjoy ZenLab, man. I have to know, outside of the poll, put a one in the chat if you guys are profitable this week. Not thanks to ZenLab or whatever, just simply, are you profitable this week? Put a one in the chat. Let's see how far we can take this. Yo, Coach Emmett, I love the way you trade and your energy, bro. I'm really excited for Funded Hero. Me fucking too, bro. We'll talk about it here at the end. But Funded Hero finally opens up on Friday, y'all. So you guys will have direct access to getting funded accounts, not getting a challenge account passed by me. I'm able to give you a funded account. So if anybody's interested in that, make sure you guys DM me, Big Daddy Emmett on Instagram, and we'll go ahead and get you taken care of. BDE. BD, if you didn't want to spell it all out. Yo, Coach Emma, I love the way you trade and your energy, bro. I'm really excited for Funded Hero. Once it drops on Monday and I get a challenge, do you think you could pass me, bro? I got you covered, fam. I'm in the YouTube live stream with you every day. I'm in Pillar 55. But once I make some good profits, I want to buy your mentorship. And no need, bro. You're getting this. No need, my brother. You're getting the sauce and Mamba's mentorship as well. Like, I got you, fam. Let's not spend money. Let's acquire data and make money. You know, but I appreciate that. It's mad love, man. Much love. So far, yes, I need today a win. 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1. 4. Okay, so we've hopped on. I'm just gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then today's the 8th live stream. Out of 8 live streams, we've lost 1 live stream, and only fucking 47% of you guys are profitable. Oh no, 47, 57. 67, 69%. That's beautiful. Yeah, love that. We fucking tonight. Top 1 futures prop firm was giving me a bit of trouble with their website. Let's see your stats. What's up? What you want to see, Mark? I'm the one, my brother. You want to see, what do you want to see, bro? Let's fucking talk stats here, bro. That's what we do. Welcome to the channel. Real trading, real results, and anything beyond that is not welcomed here, you know? Everybody that I allow into the show either is learning from somebody who understands how to trade, they understand how to trade on their own, or they're just an individual who's looking to better themselves on a day-to-day basis. Any type of negativity, any type of lack of results, lack of commitment, lack of dedication is not allowed in ZenLab. Give us the Funded Hero link. We'll save the site. Beast just sent you the Funded Hero link. Once it releases, you guys can use that link right there. But I will have my own specified link with prices that you can only get from me, which is fucking badass. So your guys' best route to funded accounts would be directly through me. I hit you on Discord. Hit me back when you get some time, bro. I got you, player. Yeah, I was supposed to do a whole bunch of feedback yesterday for all you guys. I just got tied up, man. I got you covered. Anyways, are they accepting clients outside the US? Yeah, of course, bro. We fuck with y'all. Is the new funded company a company for you to pass challenges, or is the new funded company a company for you to pass challenges, or for us? It depends on you. I will be passing challenges. I will be giving funded accounts, and I will also be doing what I always do every time you guys show up here, figuring out the best possible way I can to get you to extract money from the markets. First time seeing you trade in New York. I'm looking forward to seeing you work on the charts. Ah, what a beautiful day for you to come in, my brother. All right, y'all, so let's focus up here then. Since I got to show out. It's the first time man's been watching me trade live. We're going to have NAS on the left-hand side, and we're going to have US 30 on the right-hand side. Look at what's already happening before session opens up here in about 7 minutes. We already got that violation of these highs sitting over here, which is fucking clean, bro. So pretty much at this point, we simply just want to see what happens at this last area of rejection, which is, you know, pretty much 15-hour support trend resistance. And also this trend line, which is held 1, 2, 3. This potentially will be the 4th hit. And then from that point, we'll go ahead and invest. Okay, as far as the sell-off, damn near immediately, bro. We'll probably go ahead and take these sales if it ends up playing out that way. If we get hit, then I got 2 bullets in me today. We're not doing PM session because I'm going to a rave. And so, yeah. What pair is it? I mean, Rebecca, it shows you top right. You see it says Dow Jones. But if you want to see the whole picture, it's over here on YouTube, fam. Malaysia, not China. Afternoon, guys. 11111. Okay, so a gang of people. That's why you guys are all on my Zoom. That's why I'm bad. Today's Friday. I'm on a funded account. Count me in. Me too. I don't got Insta. What's up, Zengo? What's up, play it? If you guys don't have Instagram and you still would like to message me about funded accounts, just message me on Discord. Beast, if you could send them the free Discord, and then just message, help me, Big Daddy Emmett. I got you. If that's not the phrase, the keyword, it's not gonna ring to get me on the line. It's gotta be those exact words. I'm tripping, bro. Also, 72-hour water fast is done. I can't wait to eat today. Oh hell no, you tripping, bro. I was very upset too. I drink the purest of water, and my new shipment came in yesterday, bro, because I just ran out of the most optimal balanced minerals to put back into my stripped distilled water. And the shit was broken, bro. The seal was broken and shit. So now I'm out here drinking regular reverse osmosis water. 25% off if we include daddy? Absolutely. You already secured a funded account from Funded or gonna wait to the site launch? Launch is on Monday, brother, but we have pre-sale going on. We as in me. Have you tried hydrogen water? No, I haven't, bro. I've tried Kangen water, but not hydrogen water. Nigga can't even drink clean water in peace. Facts, bro. The fuck going on? It's crazy, man. Yeah, we have 4 minutes until the session opens, so make sure y'all focus up a little bit. But we ain't got nothing going on as far as these highs. I'm gonna get myself ready here. For everybody who's been following me this week, bro, I swear to Almighty Jesus himself, bro. If a loss in today results in you having a non-profitable week, you're fucking grounded, bro. You know? I know how y'all do. We have a aggressively nasty, disgusting week as we always do on Fridays a day to get rich or go back to be ass motherfuckers, bro. Keep your money, man. Keep your money, Mike. Make sure you go to the bathroom before open. Hell no, but listen, bro. If we're about to get into a trade and I have to be, it's an incredible indicator that it's probably going to be fine. I appreciate all 73 of y'all for showing up. My bad for putting all y'all's heads in this shit, bro. If you guys give me, I don't know, fucking 10 ones in the chat, I can get white talking in this bitch if you want them. But it's 3 minutes before session, so you might want to hurry. What you doing, brother? I'm not convinced he likes that fucking name, but that's why we got to just drill it into his head. You know? He said he's getting on now. He just woke up. What a little bitch, bro. I hate traders who wake up fucking 3 minutes before a session. I hate them. Make me sick. And then you got us people who treat it like a business. Waking up an hour and a half before session, bro. Get ready, drink the coffee. No way. He said they were waiting. I took a nap. I just woke up like 5 minutes ago. All right, y'all. We got 2 minutes till session open. Let's make it happen. Zen God, yo, facts. What pair is it? What pair is it? Same this week. The man above has blessed me for real. I got you, bro. I'm up here for a long time, my brother. Just kidding. The week was three and 4 wins. 3 to 4 wins and 0 losses. How do you get 3 to 4 wins, bro? Which one is it? It's 6. So 0.6 is where I'll be at. All right, y'all. We got 1 minute until session open. Stop loss is going to be 50 points on US 30, and it's going to be fucking 30 points on Nas. Market is now opened up. We're coming up to tap into this trend line now. Every buyer in the world just hopped in, man. So let's see what happens. I'm not going to take the break below these lows. I just don't want to be that third tap, you know? If anybody's looking at these lows sitting right here, we're going to wait, bro. We're going to wait for this lower level to hit. And then now from this point, same shit. Now, any type of newfound structure that holds at this area of rejection, if we start to re-break back above those highs, we're solid, bro. We're boxing price in and starting to understand what to do. Now, as far as NAS sitting over here, like same shit as US 30, but our area that we just broke out of is a bit further. And so kind of what I'm just waiting to see is what happens at that reaction at that level. And then from that point, we can decide what we want to do. You know what I'm saying? Same shit. We do have a little trend line formed here from London highs. So it's almost identical setup, but we're not going to trade in no man's land here, bro. Way too much fake out's about to happen. All right, cool. I'm back to the let me see if White Chocolate's in this bitch. He is. What's up, player?
Yo, what up?
How you
Yo, what
doing?
up, Emmett?
Who's that? What's up, bro?
Hey, that was me. That was
Oh,
Marcus.
my man. What's up, bro?
Bro, I just hopped in here like 2 minutes ago. You had the exact same setup that I had going.
Yeah, that's what
Trend
happens.
lines, like setup. Like we're about to smash these cells.
Yeah, that's what happens, my brother. When you follow
Yeah.
the motherfucking man.
Look at that
Appreciate all
fourth pole trend line
76 you
tap
guys for
right
showing
there.
up. Make sure you guys like the stream. We about to get into these sales here soon. Enjoyable that we're getting this reaction from this trend line too. You know, just kind of playing out the way that we want to see it. Same thing with this sitting up here. As far as the sell-off, if we start to break back below these lows, we better get ready for that too. Really want to take US 30 over NAS though, for being honest. What is ATR for NAS? It's 27, so 30 is respectable. This will be our first trade of the day. Cross your fingers and pray that it plays out. Because if it doesn't,
You said you're going on 30 on
yeah,
US 30?
no. 30 on NAS, 50 on
Oh, okay. 50 on US 30. Okay.
White
Yeah, that's
chocolate.
what I
Yeah,
had.
what you looking at, white chocolate? The people need to know.
Um, Still like trying to wake up right now.
I told
Right
you I hate
now,
those type of traders, bro. I was just telling I'd be talking shit about y'all. All my friends fucking wake up 4 seconds before session open.
I, I like the buys a lot for
Yeah.
NAS at least. If you break above these highs here, we're playing off of support right now. So if you break these highs, it would just work out perfect, you know.
Do you see my
As
screen by chance, brother? I just
I'm
want to make
looking
sure
at
you're
it
talking
now,
about these highs sitting up here.
yeah,
Okay. All right. Cool.
those highs sit up there. My support is a lot smaller, but same idea, right? It's bouncing off that support. So if it
Yeah.
breaks highs, it just works out.
Okay. Cool.
Um, US 30, kind of same thing. Yeah, pretty much same type of thing marked up, but we're breaking through the highs for US 30 for me. Or not through the highs, but through my zone. So I just wait for a pullback and then a break of structure.
Yeah. So okay. So we're actually identically looking for the same fucking thing. Who would have known? Big Daddy M at 50% off. Come on, bro. All right, bros and PST, poor guy. Yeah, that is tough. Yeah, it is definitely not poor guy season, but it is 6:30 there. Is that really that early though? Come on, bro. Why y'all be giving traders breaks, bro? We don't do shit. Don't be giving us sympathy. Sleeping is overrated. Now that I'm becoming a day trader full time, I would never move to PST. That wake up time is death every day. Yeah, and then here I am, like down to move to PST. You know, I'm a morning guy. All these boys now. I like to get up at 5:30, 6 o'clock. Lately, it's really been like 7:30, 8:30, but I enjoy the morning routine. You can catch me inside at 8, 9 o'clock and in bed by 10. Latest. Latest. The 10 is pushing it, bro. We're lying. We're lying. Nice reaction from this trend line. One thing I will say, I really want this next candle to close bearish, bro. We're not just gonna take the break of these highs. White chocolate might. I'm not. Y'all know I gotta have some type of newfound resistance, and then I'll take the break.
I'm about to
But
take.
really nice fucking closure here on US 30. I ain't mad at that at all.
I'm not in right now, but oh,
8 a.m. is good enough for me. 9:30 is in the day, bro. Like I feel like I'm in half of the. By the time we're done with session at 10, 11 o'clock, like that's half of my day, you know. So if the market
I'm
opened
in
at
these
6 a.m.
vibes, by the way.
EST, that would be perfect for me. Facts, bro. The grass is always greener on the other side, huh? When I lived in Colorado, market opened up at 7 a.m.
I got in these buys, by the way.
NAS or US 30?
Nas, breaking buys.
Oh, how big of a stop loss? Scary place to be, but I fuck with it.
30.
30-point stop loss. Scary place to be, especially because you may be the third trend line tap. These are the scariest trades ever to me.
I don't have a trend line on my chart.
Oh, then it can't stop you out. Then you're perfect. White chocolate idea. He's him. He's in. He's in. All right, cool. We're getting that major fucking reaction to this. All we needed to close. We got 3 minutes, and then we'll take the rebreak of highs, and we'll be right there with him, y'all. TP1. Let me go ahead and I'm gonna keep this up, but we're not. I'm gonna take it off. I can always put it back up. It's just confusing as fuck to everybody who's joining and shit. And then for here, I'm gonna go ahead and stamp this for you guys now. So you dig? I kind of have a 1-to-1 to low, so I kind of want to be a little ballsy with it. Especially getting that reaction, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna get a little aggressive with this, y'all, which means once we come down to react from this trend line, you know, if it's not a 1-to-1, you have to accept, bro. We're going to get a reaction here before pushing lower if it does. I want that higher entry, though. White chocolate trade is looking fucking beautiful. What's new? I need to take off your ATR, Rebel. There's too much on the shit for me. If the market open at 6 a.m., it's 9 a.m. there, it's 9 p.m. here. I'm like a moonlight owl. That's actually really nice, bro. 9 p.m. trading? No, that sucks.
That's how it was in Bali. It would start open at 9 p.m.
Yeah. Yeah, we just got to break up these highs here on US 30. Y'all know me, though. I have to wait for that resistance to form. We don't just hop in. We don't just hop in. Top song says, yo, what's up? Bag. We in. I'm not, bro. I'm not in. I'm actually not in. I'm just waiting for US 30 as it runs away from me. I wouldn't mind a retest of this area either that we're breaking out. You know, just any type of further confirmation that I'm not going to get caught up in this 4-hour resistance. Meanwhile, EP is about to hit. Or maybe I shouldn't have said shit. I'm trading from 9:30 p.m. to like 10 or 11 p.m. depends. Yeah, sucks to suck, my brother. Are you profitable this week? Now we got 56 plus 20. 50, 60, 70% of you guys are profitable. Yeah, that's fucking sexy, bro. Good job. Okay, so as far as you guys, Steven's profitable, Jaime's profitable, Angelica's profitable. All right, now back to you, Steven, or all of you guys. For everybody who's profitable this week, if whatever trade I called today were to lose, if we were to lose today, would you still be profitable for the week? One in the chat, yes. Two in the chat, no.
Well, we have a simple thing to overcome that. If this trade makes you negative, then you just keep trading and keep trading
That's
until you're
right. That's fucking right. Yo, what's up, Uncle E? I'm in US 30 buys. Hell yeah. I fuck with you, man. That's crazy. As soon as you broke above these highs you got in the buys, I dig it, bro. Yeah, it's just a tough area for me to play in, bro. You know, we're going for a little 1 to 3 out here, so and that's a 5 minute closure too, man. We're just pushing, bro. It is what it is. If it pushes without me, she gone.
she gone.
30 in the Discord. Sheesh. Oh, did I bring it to the wrong fucking shit? Whoops. No, we just got 30 in Discord. Yeah, badass. Cool, man. Appreciate you guys for showing up. And also, like, just so you guys all know, let me make sure that's true. You guys can all unmute yourself, you know? So if anybody wants to, unless it's some weird ass, if you're just a weird ass motherfucker, bro, keep it to yourself. But if you're a normal person and you want to say some shit or um, tell us how we've changed your life, ask any questions, um, whatever the fuck, man, you can come say what's up at any point. Glad to help, glad to talk. Yesterday was pretty wild, honestly. We had like, what do we have? We had white chocolate, we had black chocolate, we had Rebel, we had me, we had Luca, we had fucking Max, bro. We had so many people on the stream yesterday. I was like, yo. All right, we're finally starting to get this reaction here now. I mean, we still got 3 minutes, bro. Nothing's happening. Yo, what's good, my dude? What's going on, player? How you doing, brother? The man himself. Emmett, you gonna get the prop firm coming out from Dollar? What do you mean get it? You guys have, oh god. You guys will not find better prices for a funded account from this firm or potentially any firm than directly from me, my motherfucking self, and this handsome man that's on the screen too. So when the time comes on Monday, if you want a funded account or want your challenge pass, message us. Or you can do I know you can what you can do is you can go to the firm itself, look at the pricing of the firm itself, and then come ask me for my prices, and then you'll be like, holy shit, you know, we outside. And I'm glad to help all of you guys out for sure. I haven't put my name behind anything since Think Markets, which is still great, or Think Capital, which is still a great firm, and Fortunes, which was a great firm, which is coming back out soon. And anything I put my fucking name on, just like Gates, is the utmost top quality, or else I just simply won't speak about it. So um, we getting going on Monday for sure. It's Forex, right? So no copy trading. What are you asking about, bro? Like copy trading as far as me and managing your account, or are you just asking if you can copy trade between multiple accounts? Yes, it is a Forex prop firm. White chocolate, let them know when you're out of your trade so I can take that shit off here. You guys are just, this is just my utmost. I would never take a trade when it's a third trend line tap. I don't know what it is, but that secondary tap and then we're coming up to that third one is just a really tough trade for me to be able to profit from more often than not.
All right, I just got out right now.
Okay, just out here. We're still waiting on these sales, y'all, and we're coming up pretty fucking close. So let's see what we can do. As soon as we break past this white line, I'm gonna go ahead and enter these trades. 50-point stop loss, and I'm gonna get us in a bit higher. I know it's a bit risky just because we have that trend line. The same thing we talk about third tap, but it seems as though we could potentially hit a 1-to-1 before coming down to that area before deciding what to do. So get the fuck ready, man.
This might be a break-even week for me unless I hit.
I can lose 3 trades in a row today and still be up for the week. It's been a disgusting week. Absolutely insane, mate.
Yeah, not trading AM yesterday screwed me over.
Yeah, bro. We screwed us over too. We missed you. We had to profit without you.
There's a perfect setup. I was looking back.
Yeah. All right, so we're cooking. We're cooking. Where's my camera? Oh.
You're taking this 5-minute one candle structure.
Yeah, I am. I'm gonna get a little risky with it, bro. If we have to take it again at those lows sitting down there because we get a reaction from trend, that's fine. But Like I said, I've had a great week. I want the risk, and I want to make sure I get into this trade for sure.
Feel that.
I'm gonna put a sell stop in, yeah. No, I'm not. I'm gonna insta execute. Actually, I'm lying. I do like that we just had this 5 minute candle open. Understand that's not just 5 minutes, 15 minute candle open too. This is just turning out to be a really nice, credible trade. And now we're getting that hold here, like we were speaking about on Nas. And so break above these highs or break above these highs here is so fucking proper, bro. So we'll see. Let's focus up on these sales first, and then we'll go from that point. I'm actually gonna turn this red since we're sitting in this area because it's a little. Yeah, there we go. That helps. That help you guys a little bit. I'll let you know when I'm in. Dollar shit is coming out Monday. Yeah, Dollar's firm is coming out Monday. It's not shit, dude. I can't see the prices on there right because it comes out on Monday. All right, let's get it.
Yeah, I'm in.
Come on, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, y'all. So I just got in my first trade of the day. We got fucking 101 people watching us. We can't fail. I'm liking the sales in US30 once we get a break of them lows for sure. Yeah, me too, my brother. I fuck with these. For sure. Already sitting up our first 2K in fucking seconds, bro. This thing is sending it. I'm a bit nervous about this trend line here, though, so we'll see. Yeah, look at that. Weesh. Profit 101, but I'm top two, but I'm not two, bro. What's the name and site? Fundedhero.com. You guys won't get my prices there. You'll get my prices from me. But it comes out on Monday, so you won't get any pricing until Monday unless you're Steven Owens. If you're that guy, then you just get special privileges. We're currently sitting up 25 points right now. Or wait, 53 to 28. Yeah, 25 points. It's melting. Dot, dot, dot. I know, dude. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Insane, 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 insane. We still got a minute 33 until this candle closes. So at least if we can close below low, so we can at least hold that. I'm just being, as soon as we hit 1-to-1, I'll probably aggressively remove half of my position. And then whatever happens from that point, you know, stops the break even, whatever, dude. But I'll be damned if we're the third fucking trend line tab, bro. Would have paid for my breakaway ticket already if I was on my live. Facts, fam. It's all good, player. I told you, bro. I said let's earn it today, you know? Shit. That turnaround was crazy. It was in profit, then out of profit again real quick. So that's just scalping, bro. That's just real shit, man. Oh, that's NFT cam. Yeah, G, crazy, bro. All right, up 2,300. All right, looks like we're about to hit TP here, so I want to show you guys on cam, but we'll see. Okay. Put the fucking camera away, dude. Put the fucking camera away, dude. Jesus. There we go. All right, so we're coming down to TP1 here. So as soon as we tap, let's go ahead and put... Fuck, I want to close out half, bro. I'm going to close out half at a K. Come on, baby. I think at this point, it's safe to put your stops to break even if you're a pussy. I already pulled out a K. Well, 972.
I'm letting it ride.
Then I pulled out 972, which I'll show you guys. And then I still have the rest running for our 1 to 3s, which is 1100. I'm floating 1100 right now. Or 700. Did not put stops to BE yet, unfortunately. So we're just riding, bro. There's just not, it's just too close. We haven't tapped trend line yet, right? Let me just make sure. We'll tighten it up. We haven't tapped trend line yet, man. You guys just have to fucking hold. NQ's running for that gap. Yeah, and we could be running for a bit of this gap too before continuing lower, you know? Maybe filling a bit of this here and then push. But like, especially us being below moving average now too, there's nothing we can do here but hold and grow some fucking balls. So do it with me, y'all. Hold those balls. If you're a woman, hold your man's balls. Where's Black Chocolate at? Black Chocolate is... He's here, brother. Black Chocolate is here. It's incredible. Black Chocolate, you now have a fan base, bro.
That's crazy right now.
That's all it takes.
That's absolutely insane.
All right, we just hit TP1 here, y'all. Big fucking dubs in the chat, man. We're currently floating up 1,800 bucks. Where's my phone? Oh. Let's go. Yo, EP, I'm nasty with it, bro. I'm about to call you after this. Godly. Godly, bro. I really just... Did we get dubs in the title rate? We did. Bang, bang, bow, bow. That's a motherfucking dub on a Monday. Make sure you guys put your stops to BE. I'm trying to be very cautious just because we have this third trend line tap, but we're going to continue to hold. We're sitting up 1,700 on our runner, and we've already closed a K for the day. Just trying to go for deeper profits. Stops at a break even.
I'm letting my shit ride to those like down low lows.
To those down low lows, is there something you're trying to tell us, White Chocolate?
London lows for me.
Oh, I thought it was something else. We in there, baby. Sheesh. Clap it up, y'all. I want to see those hands. Clap it up. I see you over there clapping beast. Jose, I saw that. Cass, proud of you, bro. I got trigger scared. Did you? That makes one of us. I took out some of TP1 and I'm still holding like a big man. Yo, let's go, bro. Hold the nuts, bro. For one day. Hold the fucking nuts. Not mine, man. I got a girlfriend. I'm just saying to hold your own.
If that's being held.
Yo, $2,400. Yo, $2,400 up right now. Oh my God. I'm still not closing any further though, y'all. We gotta start to grab mental resilience here. If White Chocolate's holding, I'm holding. Hugo, you up, bro? What's up?
Me?
No, I missed it. Yeah,
I
you
just
up?
closed 700 and I'm holding another 10 lot position for it, and it's up like 828 right now. So
What's new, bro? What's fucking new? We all holding. Let's get it. Yes, hold your fucking balls Friday, yo. Hold them.
hey, did you see that
Hold
bird?
your huevos.
Hold your huevos, brother. For real, man. Hold them. If you're scared of this retracement, that's fine. Do what I did. I got scared too, so I just removed money. So the rest of my position, I could hold them. Just hold them. Carlos, you still in here? Carlos Martinez, how's your first day in the lab? You enjoying it? Because I'm enjoying you being here, brother. Even if I would have lost this trade, I would have need to lose 4 more trades for the week. Feels great like usual. Big dubs in the chat, y'all. We got 102 people watching here, 102 people making money, and 102 people who I fucking love. White Chocolate, you looking at anything further, or is this going to be it for you, Faye, player?
Mainly this, but if another setup presents, I could be down.
I want to hit 70K. I'm at 66 balance, 68 floating equity, so I have to hit 2K more, which means I think it'll be like right before TP3, bro.
Then just close that TP3, make it right over 70.
In that case, we would be sitting at 150. So at 150, I would make an additional 4. It would be a whole extra K, actually, bro.
There you go.
Type shit, man. Type shit, man. Carlos says yes. Fantastic, bro. Glad to have you here, man. Yes. Let's go. Another 100, man. W stream. Yeah, man. This is fucking insane to me. Who would have known? I got 106K on my prop, Steven says. I'm proud of you, bro. I never know what to tell you anymore. Except for I'm proud of you. For those that were scared to get in, this is your confirmation candle right here under the trend line. Yeah, so if we were, listen, let's get fucking risky here today. You know, now we're really playing with profits, so let's really do our damn thing. So this is what we're really going to do. Now that we've broken below this trend line, let's just acquire newfound structure, some type of new support forming here. I don't really care whether it reacts off this trend line again or somewhere sitting up here to refill in this guy. Really don't care. But if we can hold, then this newfound support that we form, I'll go ahead and take this break. I don't like exterior highs and lows, as most of you guys are starting to understand now, so I wouldn't take this break down here. I'm simply just waiting for structure where price is currently at, and then I would take the break from that point. All right, so I want this to hit fucking 70K. If it hits 70K, I will remove myself in full. Damn, we're fucking sending it right now, bro. I'm 600 away from hitting the 70K target for the week. 500 away. $500 away. Look at this shit. It's taking a lot out of me not to close another half of this, bro. I'll be completely honest with you. I feel like I have something to prove here, so I'll probably trail. Like if we came all the way back to a K, I'm damn sure at least taking another K out of here at some point. But I got something to prove here to myself and you guys. So let's make it happen. 70K.
Hey, I wanted to get out so bad, bro.
It's fucking with me right now too, bro. I'll be honest with you. It's Friday. I'm ready to go.
I'm about to tag you. You about to have 20 new students incoming.
Let's go. News in 2 minutes, but we up. You know, news in 2 minutes. Isn't it just consumer? No, it's just consumer. I'm not worried about consumer, fam, to be honest with you. What the hell was that? Was that a subscription or something? I haven't heard that shit in so long. We're 500 away, y'all. And it's crazy because we have the hourly open and consumer sentiment. So shit's gonna happen fast. No, Lonnie, you got me feeling soft, bro. Like I should be pulling some out. I'm chilling though. Stops with a B. It is what it is. The screen on the right is NASDAQ. Yep, that's absolutely not correct. Screen on the right is Dow Jones, and then screen on the left is NASDAQ. Class only read folder news? Yes, correct. Do you know if orange news affects prop firm challenges? It depends on what prop firm you trade with. News simply affects some prop firm challenges. Oh, shit. Am I there? Oh, no. We're so close to 70K. Shit. TP2 got destroyed. Did we already say that? Yeah. It just says news, but doesn't say whether it's red or orange. Yeah, red or orange doesn't mean anything. If you're not allowed to trade news, you're not allowed to trade news. If you're allowed to trade news, you are allowed to trade news.
I think only red folder matters for news.
If your guys' prop firm does not allow you to trade news, luckily for you, the prop firm opening up on Monday does, so you can leave that shit.
Damn.
No way, bro. I just tapped 70K. I was about to close and then does this shit. I have that shit on recording too. I'll be so mad. Come on, dude. If we bleed at this point now, yo, we got to trail. We can't just pull out as soon as we hit 70K. We're gonna have to trail
I
it
took
because
that at
clearly.
lows. I had TP set.
Did you? Damn. It hit 70, bro, and then fucking that's so sad. That's brutal. Bro said, boom. Yeah, we grabbed lows, bro. Like, that's disgusting. Hopefully this trend line or moving average holds. There's nothing we can do. I ain't fucking pulling out now. You got me fucked up. Too good of a week to be soft here now, you know? Hold your balls. Didn't want to lose for the week. 1-1 is okay for me, but next week...
The news don't matter.
News don't matter, yo. No, Alani no, she's a market mover, so she probably did that shit.
Nas buys at highs.
Damn, dude. Damn, bro. All of that fucking work. All of that fucking work for $1,000. We would have had another 5K day, bro. All of that fucking work. That close had me up 2K. He said, fuck orange folder. That might have been a liquidity grab. Could have been. We did check out lows. We're still in, though. We're still in for now, man. God. Who made money today, regardless? Oh, hold on. Let me put up a poll. I want to know. Who pulled out when I pulled out half? It's still going to come down a hit because market got us still right here, but who profited off of It's not over. No, it ain't over, bro. Who says that this is the last trade we're taking today? That's insane. It's not what we do. I'm scared to not open up risk. I trained my mind. Close 1,700 lows, clean, bro. I'm so annoyed right now, man. I'll be honest. It's nasty. We had such a beautiful week that I don't mind, but fuck, man. I was close to the goal, dude. Little bitch. We're back up another 2K. Makes you want to fucking close another half at 1-1. If this candle flips and it's gonna melt, I know, bro. That's what I'm saying. If it can just fucking hold here, dude. What a G.
I'm waiting
Beautiful,
for these Nas
beautiful.
buys at highs.
Oh, where you? Top songs, brother. Where you at? It's time for you to do your job again, my man. Get to blowing on that thing. If this candle flips, it's gonna melt to fill that 30-minute gap.
We need top songs.
Yeah.
You got it popping yesterday. We need them to come through right now.
That shit crazy, bro. Get on that thing, my brother. We back up another $2,500 here, y'all. Hold your balls. Who's still holding their balls? One in the chat. One in the chat. Lloyd's holding them. Ricky's holding them. Donald's holding them. Hugo's holding them. Left hand on both of them. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, Noelani's holding hard, bro. Yeah, man. Hold that shit, bro. If you're scared, pull out half now. For me, so I can stop being scared because I want to do it so bad right now, bro. It's fucking with my head. It's really fucking with my head. I got out at full right before the grab. Damn, bro. I was about to, bro. I fucking fuck. I fucking fuck. I'm holding till 2008 lows. Shut up, bro. What are you talking about? Can you imagine? What? Look at that shit right here. Oh no, that's 2020. This is fucking Black Bull doesn't even go that far back, bro. Look. You're holding to 2008 lows? My God, bro. All right, let's go back to the trade so everybody can just watch me win again. Hopefully you guys are still here holding balls. For sure. Okay. As soon as we re-break lows, I'm gonna stop being a dickhead and pull out of my position. But not before we violate new lows. Diamond hands. My girl holding one, I'm holding one. Perfect, bro. This is how it's done. God, bro, where's my girl at, dude? Exactly, she's holding both. Fantastic. Not gonna lie, I was a bit nervous. I tread light on Friday. Gotta get mine. No need to tread light, brother. You and Zen Lab. We tread aggressive. You know? This is what we do. Watch it from the 15-minute. Looks clean. Okay, perfect. Oh, thank God, bro. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. This looks so much better. Left hand holding, that shit had me dying. It's crazy. I'm up 2,400 bucks. Man, the nightmare trade here went all the way back up. I think plus like 800 now. Came all the way back down to plus 2,800. And now we're chilling, man. And believe, y'all, I actually have TP, bro. I actually have a TP set. It just has to hit it. Which is, if it wasn't for EP, bro, we would already, this is his bullshit.
But I closed out at lows.
Telling me to hold, bro. I'm holding my balls because of you. You didn't even hold your own.
I told you, take out at lows. Get me out of this.
I'm looking at the cash. I'm looking at the cash right now too, my brother. I'm staring at it right now with full aggression. This is what makes it fun and shit, you know? We're gonna win regardless, so you know? Even if we lose here, we still won. Imagine that. I know it's frustrating. Like if I left all this money on the table, I'd be annoyed too. But nonetheless, we still won today. So just to either we win or we win, bro. How many times we gotta say it? Hard and aggressive for the win. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Fuck, man. Where's top songs when you need them? Appreciate all 98 of you here, and I haven't been on Instagram in a minute, so hopefully you guys didn't say no shit. Bro said hold until 39,750. Bro, I tried. I literally tried. That's what I was trying to do. So thanks for fucking me there.
I'm about to get a NASCARs.
All right, looks like I'm about to be taking out, bro. Golly. What are the odds? What are the odds we come all the way down here and not hit TP before coming all the way back up?
Hey, Emmett, I got a question for you.
Yeah, what's up, bro?
So, I accidentally set a TP for TP1, and I got taken out of the trade. And I was looking at so where it just the hour started, and it looks like it pulled liquidity from the bottom there. Do you think it'd be a good place to like re-enter possibly,
No.
or should I just mitigate risk for the day?
I think you should move the fuck on and go touch some grass.
Okay, that's probably what I'm gonna do.
Yeah.
Right.
Only to you. Everybody else, it's just you. You know, just to you, bro.
Is it?
You're fucking trying to chase a goddamn trade. You're one of my students. It's aggravating. I'm tired of it. Go touch
Yeah,
some
that's why I
grass.
came to ask. I wasn't gonna take it, but I was just seeing what your thoughts were on it.
Yeah, my thoughts are to go touch some grass and make one of those sexy ass videos again.
Are you gonna show the class?
Yeah, you have to change the lettering. You can't see it. Did you see where I put the circle up on my story?
Oh yeah, I
Because you
did.
can't see them.
Okay.
But I'm glad that you enjoyed editing it so much. Because now you're dick. Now you're gonna be just like the rest of us, brother. I'm just
Yeah.
flicking off my phone for the camera because it's about to take me out. All right, bitch. That's it.
All
I'm
right.
done.
I'll see you, Emmett.
One
I'm out of
payday.
here. I'm taking my 1-to-1 little dog
Later,
money
player.
and heading
Peace.
out.
See you later, man. I'm out of this trade, B. So we only made 1K on the day. 5K to 1K, bro. But it's all good. We shot, and now we have to shoot again.
I just got a Nas buzz.
Oh shit! White chocolate with the redemption here. My bad, bro. I wasn't listening. You
No, I
got
got
a.
I got redeemed on that last trade.
Oh yeah, real
What?
shit. Yeah, facts. Don't worry, brother. You lose, I always get you back, and vice versa. That's what we use. We use each other in that essence. I'll take all white chocolate trades, and chocolate will take all BDE trades. I guess that's not true. I did not take that first initial trade, but only because the third trend line tap. Don't forget to like the stream. Yeah, let me see how many likes we're at. How many likes we have decides on what we do right now. Do I leave? Do I stay? One thing's for sure, and two things are for certain. Yo, make sure you guys tag me. Tag me on Instagram, bro. I want to see what you guys make and shit. Go into my free group if you're not in my free group already, so you can get the announcements as far as funded accounts go, passing your challenge goes, getting direct access to me if you want to learn mentorship, direct access to all my trades. Most of you guys have access to my trades every other day of the week, but if you want to access them every fucking day of the week, you have to do so by clicking the link in bio and then getting it done. Pricing. My prices for my group where you take all of my trades and we go live every other day. I mean, shit, pretty much every day at this point with Power Hour. It's $40 a month, bro. $40 a month and you get all of that. Mentorship is $3K. You get $3,000. You pay me and I will teach you directly how to trade one-on-one. If you can't afford that, I have financing options. If you think you can learn quicker than that, we don't fucking penalize you. You pay $500 a month until you learn how to trade and then you're off on your fucking own. Okay? As far as funding account prices, I don't have them because the firm does. I do have prices. The firm doesn't release on Monday. If you would like to see the prices before it does release, go ahead and message me. I got you covered. That is at Emmett.motherfucking trades. Just kidding. Emmett.trades. At Emmett.trades. On Instagram, on Discord. Beast, please put up my link if you can, or Kevin, one of you guys put up the free link to this group so people know. And this is what we do every day, bro. I just got back to streaming. I've been doing this shit for 4 fucking years, and I just got back to it 2 months ago. And still now, right now, we've only had 2 red days. 2 red days out of 5, 10, 15, 20, out of pretty much 40, let's say 30 to 40 full trading days. 2 red days. It's incredible. You guys have been doing it with me. I'm proud of you all. I'm proud of myself, and I'm proud of our movement of just progressively getting better every motherfucking day. You know, so if you guys enjoy that, that's what Zen Lab is all about. I'm gonna get out of here. For people in Zoom, I'm not leaving. Let's go ahead and kick back. We'll see if we can find something else. But as far as YouTube, I'm out here. Everybody have a good motherfucking weekend. Appreciate you guys for showing up, and I'll be back on Monday, 9 a.m. There will be no PM session today because I'm going to rave with a whole bunch of white people. Peace.